Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at an AC adapter specifically designed to be compatible with the Apogee Quartet USB audio interface. This is a 12 VDC power supply cord cable offered by the brand said. For anyone needing a replacement or a backup power source for their Quartet, this adapter aims to provide a reliable solution. One of the key aspects highlighted for this adapter is its focus on safety. The product is stated to have international quality certification, indicating compliance with industry standards. It incorporates several safety mechanisms intended to protect both the adapter and the connected device. These include protection against short-circuiting, which prevents damage in case of a wiring fault. There's also overvoltage protection, safeguarding against power surges, and overcurrent protection, which helps prevent issues if the device tries to draw too much power. Additionally, it features protection against internal overheating, ensuring the adapter operates within safe temperature limits. These safety features are crucial for sensitive audio equipment like the Apogee Quartet. Looking at the technical specifications provided, the input voltage range is AC 100-240V at 50-60 Hz. This wide range means the adapter should be suitable for use in various regions around the world without needing a voltage converter. Only a physical plug adapter if the wall socket type differs. The description also mentions high power exchange efficiency. This efficiency is important because it helps control the working temperature of the adapter, contributing to stable operation over time. A cooler running adapter is generally more reliable and has a longer lifespan. Physically, the adapter is described as being black in color and having an item weight of 4 ounces, which suggests it's relatively lightweight and portable. The input voltage is listed as 240 volts, though the input range is given as 100-240V, so it's capable of handling the full international standard range. Interestingly, the connector type is listed as USB. This is quite unusual for a 12 VDC power supply for an audio interface like the Apogee Quartet, which typically uses a barrel connector. Users should definitely double-check their specific Quartet model's power input to ensure compatibility, as many interfaces use a different type of DC connector. It's always recommended to verify the connector type and voltage requirements of your specific device before purchasing any power supply. The seller includes a kindly note advising users to make sure they choose the right device before purchasing, which reinforces the importance of checking compatibility, especially regarding the connector type detail. Overall, based on the provided information, this said adapter presents itself as a safety-conscious and efficient option for powering the Apogee Quartet, provided the connector type matches your specific unit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.